Hello and thank you for choosing my channel. In this video, I will show you how to change a percent to a decimal and work 6 examples. To change any percent to a decimal, remove the percent sign and move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Decimals are used in everyday life to present certain information like money, weight, length, etc. into easily understood formats. For example, instead of stating that an item in a store costs 750%, that same item would be displayed with a price tag of $7.50. Or, instead of saying that I weigh 17,000% pounds, as silly as it might sound, a digital scale would show my weight as 170 pounds, something that we're all accustomed to seeing. Let's take a look at our 6 examples, and our first example is 25% is equal to 0.25 or simply 0.25. Now either answer is correct. The 0 is just acting as a placeholder rather. So in this example, our decimal point is here. Okay, I move 1, 2, and add our decimal point. Okay, because this is a whole number percentage, so the decimal point is going to be here. 80% is equal to 0.8, 0.8, that's 0.8, or 0.80. Again, either way you present this, either way you present it, the answer is going to be correct. Just like above, our first question, it's going to be the same answer. Okay, so your teacher will not penalize you. Okay. So our third example is 35%. 35% is equal to simply 0.35. Let's go down and take a look at another example, at least 3 more examples to complete our 6 examples. So what about a percentage like 0.0035%? How do we convert that to a decimal? Well, that's simply equal to 0.00035 or 0.00035. I know it's a mouthful, but our decimal point is here, so we move from here 1, 2, add a 0, and then place our decimal in front of that 0. Okay. 7.568% is equal to 0.07568, and 60.045% is equal to 0.60045. And that's all there is to it. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest video. Thank you.